So sunset, it's almost gone. Honza is trying to fly the drone. He missed the light, he missed the moment, I think. Today we move up, up, up. We pass 2 passes and we're now going down to meet finally Honza, that is around at Lake Limides. Hopefully the weather will stay like that. Rainy day. So we still got an hour to go. It's not so many kilometers, but the road, it's on the mountain and we kind of go slow where it's not that we have an option. We woke up pretty early today. It was, what time it was? Like 5:30 maybe? 6? And we had some other plans that we made yesterday, but I forgot about it. But anyway, we met up with Honza, that is with his van. It's a Mercedes Vito. And with 2 friends, Johannes from Germany and Jan from the Czech Republic. So Honza is a great landscape photographer. You can check his Instagram link down below in the description. And as well as my boss as I start working for him. Anyway, I was able to, just before to get here on top, to get some drone footage and couple time lapse. So check them out. The rain is gone finally. We have a window probably of 2-3 hours. All day was raining. Now it's really nice. There's some beautiful clouds near the mountains, like low clouds, foggy, misty. It's just beautiful.
Way now?
We're lost.
We follow the red. Yeah? Yep.
can you give your #1 tip for getting a nice landscape shot?
Go on Instagram, see what everybody else took, and copy exactly that composition.
So it took only 30 minutes hike to get to this lake, but it's more like a pond, but it's pretty nice. The background behind, and we're just waiting the sunset to come down. It should be just right in the middle.
Maybe a good tip could be not go to a shit location with 0 water.
Now, how you choose your composition?
I mean, usually you just try to find the best angles. The angle no one has shot before, which in this location is kind of tricky. So you probably shoot it from a drone.
So sunset, it's almost gone. Honza is trying to fly the drone. He missed the light, he missed the moment, I think.
And I'm also shooting in JPEG.
And he's shooting in JPEG, but it's great. With big pixel.
You know what? Every master can deal with JPEG.
Yes.
Only losers
Use
shoot
RAW, yeah.
You ruined my shots. Shot on Instagram?
Not yet.
I did not, and that is why I'm not gonna take it, because it's not popular. No, but it looks pretty decent.